नमस्कार दोस्तों, मैं हूं मानव सिन्हा और आप देख रहे हैं एक ऐसा टीवी शो दैट सैटिस्फाइज योर हंगर फॉर एवरीथिंग ऑटोमोटिव राइट एट वन प्लेस। जी हाँ, यू वाचिंग द टाइम ड्राइव शो। हर बार की तरह इस बार भी हम लेकर आए हैं एक एक्शन पैक्ड लाइनअप एंड वी हैव ट्रैवल्ड फार एंड ब्रॉड टू ब्रिंग ऑल ऑफ दिस टू यू। सो विदाउट एनी फर्दर अडू, लेट्स टेक अ लुक एट व्हाट्स कमिंग योर वे ओवर द नेक्स्ट हाफ एन आवर। शुरुआत करेंगे जैसलमेर से, वेयर वी हैव ड्रिवन द ऑल न्यू मिनी कूपर एस कन्वर्टिबल। उसके बाद लेकर चलेंगे आपको गोवा, जहां पर हार्ले डेविडसन X440T हमने टेस्ट की और जाना कि क्या ये फाइनली एक बाइंग वर्दी बाइक है। और इसके बाद we'll go all the way to Chennai to have a very special conversation with Rapti.hv. As you can see, we've got an action-packed lineup for you today, and yes, we are being accompanied by the Kia Ceros. अब ये एक ऐसी कार है जो traveling far and wide को काफी enjoyable experience बनाती है। लेकिन अगर आपने travel ही करना है और आपने कार ही चलानी है, nothing beats the charm of driving a car with a roof that can pop up. Well, if you want to get a convertible in India, the most affordable one out there is this car coming up next. This, ladies and gentlemen, is the new Mini Cooper S convertible. As you can see, the sun is setting on these lovely roads of जैसलमेर और मैंने सोचा कि इस बार कुछ अलग तरीके से इस कॉन्वर्सेशन की शुरुआत करते हैं। हर बार हम एक परफेक्ट सेटअप ढूंढ के आपसे बात करते हैं गाड़ी के बारे में, लेकिन अभी राइट नाउ आई हैव जस्ट फिनिश्ड ड्राइविंग दिस कार और एकदम से मैं आपको बताना चाहता हूं क्या है खास इस गाड़ी में और क्यों ये एक ऐसी गाड़ी है। इट्स वन ऑफ दोज कार्स दैट टेल्स यू दैट यू शुडंट जज अ कार बाय इट्स स्पेक शीट्स। सो विदाउट एनी फर्दर अडू, लेट्स गेट स्टार्टेड। सबसे पहली चीज़ जो हमें डिस्कस करनी है वो है इस कार के ब्रांड का नाम, क्योंकि आज के टाइम पे ऐसे शायद ही कुछ ब्रांड्स बचे हैं जो अपने ब्रांड के नाम से ही अपनी पर्सनालिटी को एक्सप्रेस करते हैं। द नेम ऑफ द ब्रांड इज मिनी एंड दैट इज एग्जैक्टली व्हाट दिस कार इज। This is the Cooper S convertible. It's coming to the Indian market and this will be your most affordable option for buying a convertible car in the Indian market. डिज़ाइन की बात करते हैं, जैसा कि आप देख सकते हैं ऐसे सेटअप में ये कार परफेक्ट लगती है। आई डोंट हैव एनीथिंग अगेंस्ट इट। ये एक लाइफस्टाइल कार है, छोटी सी है, कॉम्पैक्ट सी है, बट स्टिल इट्स एज प्रीमियम एज इट कैन गेट एंड इट कैन ड्रॉप इट्स रूफ एज वेल। बात करते हैं एलॉय व्हील्स की जो हमें इस गाड़ी में देखने को मिलते हैं। 18 इंच के एलॉय व्हील्स हमें यहाँ देखने को मिल रहे हैं। एक और डिज़ाइन मिनी ऑफर कर रहा है जैसा कि आप यहाँ देख सकते हैं, लेकिन आई वुड थिंक द डिज़ाइन दैट वी हैव ऑन आवर टेस्ट कार एक्चुअली लुक्स अ लॉट बेटर। अगर आप साइड प्रोफाइल से मिनी कूपर एस को देखेंगे तो आपको रियलाइज़ होगा डिस्पाइट इट्स कॉम्पैक्ट डिमेंशंस जो ड्राइवर सीटिंग है वो बिल्कुल कार के बीच में है and that is the best way to have an engaging driving experience with the car you're driving. Again, we'll come to the driving experience really quick. जी हाँ, हमने रूफ को खोल के रखा है। ऑफ कोर्स यहाँ अभी ऐसा मौसम हो रखा है, ऐसा टाइम हो रखा है कि छत नीचे करके चलाने का यहाँ पर आपको इंसेंटिव मिलता है। सो दैट इज़ व्हाट वी आर डूइंग। और अगर रूफ की बात करें तो 18 सेकेंड लगते हैं इसको टू क्लोज फुली एंड टू ओपन फुली एंड आई थिंक दैट इज़ अ वेरी इंप्रेसिव नंबर। गाड़ी के अंदर बैठते हैं, ऑफ कोर्स थोड़ा नीचे आना पड़ता है आपको इसमें बैठने के लिए because this is a sporty low slung hatchback. The highlight of the cabin of course is this round almost 13-inch wide touchscreen infotainment system which is an OLED panel, so the clarity on this is really nice. It's very easy to read. It has this really impressive colors, design, graphics, a lot of things going on. And if I were to change the driving modes, which in this case are called experiences, not driving modes, for example, if I were to go to go-kart, it would go Yahoo! Take a listen. Yahoo! A very interesting take. Anyway, the other thing to note is that if I were to go all the way to timeless, that is actually the design I like the most. This is a very classic looking shape. This is a throwback, a hark back to all the minis that have had a centrally mounted speedometer right here on the dash, although in today's day and age it has of course become a digital screen. अब rear seat की बात करते हैं. For reference, I'm 5'10". I've set the front seat as per my height. और मैं आपको लेग रूम दिखाना चाहता हूँ. मुझे बैठने की ज़रूरत नहीं है क्योंकि छत खुली हुई है, मैं आपको यहीं से दिखा सकता हूँ. Barely any space you have over here. कप होल्डर ज़रूर देखने को मिलते हैं, but space यहाँ पर देखने को नहीं मिलता है. Best suited for children, I would say. Or if you want to keep extra luggage, then this is a space that you can make use of quite a lot. Overall, these are the interiors of the car, but this is not why you would buy the car. You would buy the car to drive it. And once you do drive it, well, you would be all smiles because this car is properly engaging to drive. The Minis of yore have built a reputation to give a go-kart-like driving experience. And remember how I mentioned that the car has the driver sitting right in the middle? Well, that recipe continues to deliver the go-kart feel that you expect from a Mini. The car will change directions on the drop of a dime and will hold its line even at speeds that will surprise you. The gearbox is decently quick, and since the car is not the biggest one out there, you can literally dart through traffic if you wish to do so. With such a good experience on offer, you will feel the need of a paddle shifter, which is missing in the car, and I think that is a big miss. Well, now it's time to sum up my experience with the Mini Cooper S convertible, and it's a very easy thing to do. At the same time, it's a very difficult thing to do. Difficult because if you're someone who's purely driven by value for money, and your definition of value for money are things like having 7 people in the car, having great mileage or high ground clearance and things like that, well, this is not a car that will suit your taste. However, if you're looking for your second or third car, if you're looking for a lifestyle vehicle, if you're looking for a car जो आप ऑफिस भी जिसमें जा सकते हैं और वीकडे में छत नीचे करके ऐसे सनसेट पे आप ड्राइव करना चाहते हैं, then this is a car that would actually make a lot of sense to you. This is not a car that you think of as your primary vehicle, and once you stop doing that, you will really appreciate what the car brings to the table. It's a very unique experience that the car brings. One that drops the top and makes you stand out of the crowd. And if you are someone who would appreciate that, well, this is a car that you definitely have to check out. Now from the lovely roads of Jaisalmer, let's head on over to the lovely vibes of Goa, where we get our hands on the Harley-Davidson X440T. Now the X440 was their big break motorcycle. They wanted to entice the Indian customer with an aggressive price tag, but one bike that does not compromise on the typical Harley-Davidson features. But अब वो लेकर आए हैं इसका एक slightly updated version. तो चलिए जानते हैं क्या है खास up next.
Hello my dear viewers, welcome back to Times Drive. I'm Ankur Taneja and this here with me is the all-new Harley-Davidson X440T.
After almost 2.5 years since the launch of the most affordable Harley-Davidson in India, the brand has now updated the motorcycle with some additional features, aiming to regain momentum and boost sales with this refreshed model. We took it for a test ride on the streets of Goa to find out, has it actually become better than before with these changes? Let's find out.
अब चेंजेस की बात करें तो यहाँ पर X40 मुकाबले क्या चेंजेस पहले हुए हैं, लेट्स स्टार्ट विद देम फर्स्ट. सबसे पहले फ्रंट से शुरुआत करें तो यहाँ पे फ्रंट फोक्स जो है तो यहाँ पे काफी चेंज करा गया है. जो डैम्पनिंग है उसको बेटर करा गया है. पहले इट यूज्ड टू बॉटम आउट, बट ये चेंजेस यहाँ पे करे गए हैं इस X40T में ताकि बेटर आपको राइडिंग इसमें मिल सके कंफर्ट के हिसाब से, ओवरऑल बैलेंस के हिसाब से. फिर इसके अलावा जो चेंज हुआ है दैट इज अराउंड दी साइलेंसर. यहाँ पे जो इसका कवर है, गार्ड है, ये थोड़ा डिफरेंट डिजाइन के साथ आपको यहाँ पे इसमें मिलेगा कंपेयर टू X440 X440। इसके अलावा जो है यहाँ पर जो फीचर्स अब आपको एडिशनल मिल रहे हैं इस बाइक में, सबसे पहला है राइड बाय वायर टेक्नोलॉजी, और इसका वायरिंग हार्नेस जो है वो भी थोड़ा सा नीटली अब आपको यहाँ पर देखिएगा। पहले थोड़ा सा एक्सपोज जो था, पहले के अभी भी है वो वेरिएंट X40 में, तो वो थोड़ा एक्सपोज था, बट यहाँ पे राइड बाय वायर आने के बाद ये थोड़ा चेंजेस यहाँ पर इसमें हुए हैं। इसके अलावा आपको ट्रैक्शन मोड इसमें मिल रहा है, एंड इसमें आपको रियर में स्विचेबल ABS का ऑप्शन भी आपको देखने को मिलेगा, और इसके अलावा आपको 2 राइड मोड भी दिए गए हैं, रोड एंड रेन मोड अब आपको इस X40T के अंदर देखने को मिलने वाले हैं। एक और डिजाइन में आपको चेंज जो देखने को मिलेगा वो है इसके बार एंड मिरर्स आपको यहाँ पे दिए गए हैं, एंड प्राइस की बात करूँ तो 2,79,500 रुपीज एक्स शोरूम इस वाले वेरिएंट का प्राइस रखा गया है।
Let's talk about the performance, ride and handling of this new Harley-Davidson X440T. Starting with the performance, I always like the engine's performance on the X440 as well, and it still feels good on the X440T. It's peppy and quick right from the start, with strong low-end torque that instantly adds excitement and makes the bike genuinely fun to ride. The biggest changes are in the suspension setup, particularly the front forks. Dampening has been significantly improved. Just as the Harley claimed, earlier the suspension used to bottom out harshly over big potholes or during sudden hard braking, but now that issue is largely resolved. The front end feels much better balanced and the overall ride quality has noticeably improved. When it comes to the riding posture, the X440T offers a relaxed and a comfortable position. Even in slow-moving city traffic, you don't feel fatigued. On long highway cruises, the ergonomics are excellent. Your wrists and shoulders don't get strained or painful even after hours in the saddle. Overall, as a complete package, the Harley-Davidson X440 really impresses in several areas. Performance, ride quality and handling, features very decent for the price point. Improved suspension dampening, addressing one main complaints customers and rider had earlier. There are still a couple of minor areas where Harley could improve in the future, but looking at the 2.80 lakh price tag and the overall package, the X440T feels like a solid, reliable and genuinely fun to ride motorcycle that offers great value in its segment.
और इसी के साथ वक्त हो चला है एक छोटे से ब्रेक का ऑन द टाइम्स ड्राइव शो, बट स्टे ट्यून्ड बिकॉज वंस वी आर बैक वी आर टेकिंग यू टू चेन्नई टू हैव अ वेरी स्पेशल कॉन्वर्सेशन विद Rapti HV. See you on the other side. वेलकम बैक, मैं हूं मानव सिन्हा और आप देख रहे हैं द टाइम्स ड्राइव शो. As promised, it's time to head over to Chennai to have a very special conversation with Rapti HV. अभी एक ऐसा ब्रांड है जो नई मोटरसाइकिल हाल ही में जिन्होंने लॉन्च की है जिसका नाम था T30, और उसकी खास बात ये थी कि वो मोटरसाइकिल कार चार्जर्स के साथ भी चार्ज हो सकती है. उस मोटरसाइकिल के बारे में हमने आपको हमारे फर्स्ट राइड इंप्रेशंस इसी शो पे शेयर किए थे, पर अब वक्त हो चला है टू गेट इनटू अ कन्वर्सेशन विद समवन स्पेशल एट Rapti HV. अंकुर तनेजा टेक्स द लीड.
Hello everyone, welcome back to Times Drive and to the latest episode of Times Drive Ada, and today we have with us Mr. Dinesh Arjun, who is the CEO of Rapti.HV. Not EV but HV. But Dinesh, let's start with the story behind HV, the high voltage technology that you're using in this Rapti EV. What's the story behind that and why the high voltage technology, why backing that or going with that?
No, first of all, thanks Ankur for having me here, and thanks for coming down to Chennai to take a ride on our motorcycles. So fundamentally, what we're trying to do is bring a new powertrain architecture for electric motorcycles. Electric cars became better than their petrol-powered counterparts when electric cars adopted high voltage. We're simply bringing the same change to motorcycles. The goal here is we want to make electric motorcycles feel like an upgrade to petrol-powered motorcycles out there. And that's what we're trying to do with high voltage. What high voltage basically does is that it reduces the efficiency losses that are gone away as heat, and that's what we're removing. Because of that, you get a couple of main benefits. One, you get consistent performance. You don't just do high speeds, but you can do high speeds for the entirety of the charge. Your speeds don't drop that significantly. Second, your reliability of all of the components improve. Today, one of the key challenges is customers face is that they don't know how long, whether these vehicles will be as reliable as a petrol powered vehicle, right? So high voltage at a fundamental level makes all of these subcomponents, not just the battery pack, but the motor, the controller, all of it a lot more reliable. And most importantly, it also helps us use public charging and charge very fast at home. We're roughly about 4 times faster than any other electric two-wheeler in the market, both in terms of home charging, where we charge in about an hour, and at public charging, we charge in about 30 minutes in the largest public charging network today.
अब अगर दिनेश बात करें जो टू व्हीलर इलेक्ट्रिक व्हीकल्स का पेनिट्रेशन या ग्रोथ पिछले कुछ सालों में हमने देखा है, एक मेजर चंक येस ऑफ कोर्स वहाँ पे स्कूटर्स का है, बड़ा चंक है, लेकिन जो इलेक्ट्रिक बाइक्स हैं वहाँ पर एक तो अभी फ़िलहाल बहुत ज़्यादा प्लेयर्स नहीं हैं, एक आध ही प्लेयर्स हैं जहाँ पर, और जो लेगेसी प्लेयर्स हैं वहाँ उनकी तरफ से भी कोई इलेक्ट्रिक बाइक देखने नहीं मिली है. सो स्कूटर की बजाय वाई इलेक्ट्रिक मोटरसाइकिल, एंड जो आप आने वाले समय में in coming years, what kind of growth are you expecting in the electric bike market, and what are your future predictions?
No, absolutely. No, that's exactly why we exist, right? The problem today in the market is that there aren't products in motorcycles, right? It's not that the customers don't want to buy electric motorcycles. It's simply that there aren't good products, or rather there aren't many products in the market at all. You are left with very few options that are still not the best practical replacement to
ICE vehicles.
Exactly, right? And with all due respect to all the players, today the logic here is that the scooter technology is something that we borrowed from the Far East, which had already perfected that technology. For today, electric scooters are already surpassing petrol-powered scooters in terms of usability and utility. But that's not really the scene in motorcycles, and that's what we want to change. And we really believe that high voltage, not only with Rapti, but we want the entire market to adopt high voltage to take this benefit forward, right? We believe that today, like how scooters are at 15%, electric motorcycles can also reach similar types of penetration, and we believe we want to help push that adoption over the next 4-5 years into 15% and above.
So we saw the first experience center of Rapti that is here in Chennai itself, and you shared that the next experience center will be in Bangalore.
Right.
So what are your expansion plans, where all customers who are interested in your product can expect the Rapti experience centers to be, especially in the south region first, and later you said you will be expanding towards the north and the other areas?
Absolutely. No, we've got a bunch of bookings already, so our focus is going to be on delivering it to these customers, largely because
and what is the, sorry to interrupt, what is the number of bookings that you have received?
We've got close to about 8,000 bookings so far. Because our visibility has been largely in the south, so this has been from southern cities, but more importantly, we've got some hotspots in NCR and Mumbai as well. So we're starting off with Chennai and Bangalore for this year, that is 2025. The next calendar year, 2026, we want to be in all South Indian state capitals and then start moving over to Pune and NCR.
Cool. Thank you, Dinesh.
Thank you so much. I really appreciate it. Yeah.
Thank you so much.
और इसी के साथ आज के लिए हमारा समय आपके साथ समाप्त होता है. उम्मीद है आपको हमारा एपिसोड पसंद आया हो. अगर कुछ कहना चाहते हैं, कुछ बताना चाहते हैं या हमारी टीम के साथ जुड़ना चाहते हैं तो टाइम्स ड्राइव के सोशल मीडिया हैंडल्स पर हमें रीच आउट जरूर करें. एंड इफ यू आर इन द मार्केट लुकिंग टू बाय अ न्यू 4-wheeler or a 2-wheeler, well, make sure you reach out to timesdrive.in, where you will find all the necessary information to make an informed purchase. Well, that's about all for today. I'll catch you same time next week, only on the Times Drive Show.
Picture this: slow traffic ahead and the opposite lane looks clear. It seems like a quick shortcut, but it's actually one of the most dangerous choices you can make on the road. Wrong side driving disrupts traffic, creates chaos, and increases the risk of head-on collisions. Official data shows it contributed to 5.4% of all road accidents in India in 2022, causing thousands of deaths. And it's not just you at risk. Pedestrians, cyclists, and fellow riders can be hit in a split second. Patience beats shortcuts. Plan your route, respect lane discipline, and choose safety over time saved. It takes just one choice. Slow down, stay in your lane, do the right thing,
and save lives. Join Break the Habit movement. Drive right, because the only side that wins is the right side.